Hi guys, in the last lecture we see how to style our text in different ways. Now in this lecture we see how to align our text, how to align in left, align in center, align in right and justify content. We see in this lecture. So first I get rid of all of these styling here and get rid of also these. We build our align text from scratch. So for this, in the HTML section body, I write here paragraph tag. Now I want to share you a shortcut of class in paragraph and write here p dot class name. I write here right and then go to tab and click on it. Enter. You see here p class right dot p automatically. So I write here this is right align text. For second, I also use here p dot left and tab here and then enter and right here this is left align text. For the second one, third one, I simple control C, copy it and paste it here and change the class name, that is a center, and this is center align text. I change the spelling here text, that is a better. So if I reload it, so now you see all the text that has 3 paragraphs are here because we do not have any CSS on it. So these are automatically left aligned, that is by default. So first in style tag I write here dot right for right align text and write here text align and right here right. So if I save it and reload here, so now you see that our first paragraphs have aligned to the right. If I drag it here, so you see this is automatically right aligned according to their body. They had changed the position according to their parents because right we have here body tag and then have a paragraph. So these paragraph parent is body. So that is why that's aligned to right according to their browser body. So for the second one, that is a left, I write here left and text align left. Even if you cannot use this align text left, it's automatically aligned to the left. So that is by default. For the third one, I write here center and I write here text align and center here. Save it and reload. So now you see our tags of paragraphs have now text is center aligned. So that is the basic aligning of text. One more, I have a justify content. I write here p dot justify for our justify content. Justify content. Oh, sorry. We have a CSS in HTML. That is not good. I write here justify and enter tab and then enter. So here I want to show this according to a paragraph so you clearly understand. For this, I go to browser and write here lorem ipsum. That is the best generator of text. If I click on first one, that is a lorem ipsum website. That is the best dummy content for us. So in these websites, you can simple I copy of this. Sorry, I copy of this paragraph here and simple copy and then go to our browser and paste it. So if I go to justify content, I write here paragraph. So that is our paragraph. If I save it and reload, so now you see that is our paragraph in here. So if I go to this and write here dot justify, and text align to justify our content. So that is according to left align, and any of these you notice here, all the text have a line and then a next line and then third line. So that is the justify content. So if I change the class here, I write here center. For center, I write here, you notice something. So center and reload it. So now you see all the text have a center align. That has a first line, then second, and then third start from here. That is from center. So that is center align. If I change it to left here, I change it left, save it, and you see all the text that have in browser have now left align. If I change it to the right, I write here right and save it and reload. So now you see this is text is in right align, that's here, not here. So that is the basic aligning of text. I tell you before in this lecture that is according to their parent. That change the position according to their parents. So if I in first paragraph I want to show you something. If I write here div, I write here div tag, and the first paragraph if I write here closing div. So in CSS I write here div styling. So if I width of div is 300 pixels and its color is background color, I write here green. So if I save it and reload, so now you see this text, our first text is text aligned to the right according to their div. I tell you before that change the positions according to their parent. So now this paragraph parent text is div. So change the position according to their div. If I change it to the center, so you see this in center of div. I save it and reload. So now you see this in center of the div width. So that is the basic aligning of text. So hope you will like this lecture. So please like the video and subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for these latest videos. Thanks for watching.